Question number 1. The speed of sound is 332 meter per second in air. At 0 degree centigrade, what will be the speed at 50 degree centigrade? The option C is the correct answer, 362 meter per second. Question number 2. The amount of energy required to move an electron of charge E by application of 2 volt potential difference. Option D is the correct answer, 1 electron volt. Question number 3. Which of the following is referred to DC current that does not change its intensity? Option D, steady current. Question number 4. Electric potential set across the terminal of the battery called. The correct answer is option D, terminal voltage. Question number 5. Which of the following is correspond to the momentum of photon? Option B, h pi lambda. Question number 6. The energy of light is determined by. Correct answer is option A, frequency. Question number 7. 1 joule per second is equal to. The correct answer is option D, 1 watt. Question number 8. On which principle does transformer work? Option B, mutual induction. Question number 9. Which of the following define change in magnetic flux per unit area? Option D is the correct answer, magnetic flux density. Question number 10. What is the dot product of magnetic induction and unit area? The correct answer is option A, magnetic flux. Question number 11. Change in electric field with respect to area equal to. Correct answer is option A, potential gradient. Question number 12. What is the time rate of change in linear momentum equal to? The correct answer is option B, force. Question number 13. 1 radian is equal to. The correct answer is option C, 57.3 degree. Question number 14. The ratio between linear velocity and radius is equal to. The correct answer is option B, angular velocity. Question number 15. Which law has graph similar to the graph similar to isothermal process? The correct answer is option A, Boyle's law. Question number 16. Which is the application of Doppler effect? The correct answer is option B, measuring speed of automobiles. Question number 17. Longitudinal waves exhibit. Correct answer is option D, phenomena of superposition. Question number 18. The product of frequency and wavelength of a wave is equal to. Option C is the correct answer, speed of wave. Question number 19. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to. The correct answer is option C, 3.6 megajoule. Question number 20. In standing waves, the distance between two consecutive nodes or antinodes is equal to. The correct answer is option B, lambda by 2. Question number 21. In projectile motion, the acceleration in horizontal direction is. The correct answer is option C, S0. Question number 22. The process in which exterior work is performed is called. The correct answer is option C, isothermal process. Question number 23. Induced EMF in AC generator is increased by. The correct answer is option C, increasing area of coil. Question number 24. A semiconductor diode is used as. The correct answer is option D, half-wave rectifier. Question number 25. The half-life of radon is. The correct answer is option B, 3.8 days. Question number 26. What is the unit of pressure? The correct answer is option B, Pascal. Question number 27. Which of the following is a vector quantity? The correct answer is option C, force. Question number 28. What is the frequency of DC current? The correct answer is option C, 0 Hz. Question number 29. The radiation which have high penetrating power. The correct answer is option C, gamma radiations. Question number 30. Candela is the unit of. The correct answer is option D, light intensity.